First of its kind, fixed-wing VTOL water landing drone, Aeromao has launched the VT-Naut, a groundbreaking fixed-wing VTOL drone with the unique ability to land on water. This innovative feature sets the VT-Naut apart. The company says that VT-Naut is the first drone of its kind. The VT-Naut VTOSL, vertical takeoff and short landing, is a versatile aerial solution designed for a multitude of applications, from high-precision mapping and surveying to inspection, scouting, observation, and agriculture. The VT-Naut can cover vast areas in a single flight. The VT-Naut's ability to land on water makes it an ideal tool for shipboard or coastal operations, opening up new possibilities for data collection and observation. This feature, combined with the drone's vertical takeoff, allows for unprecedented flexibility in drone deployment. In addition to its unique water landing capability, the VT-Naut boasts a long-range telemetry link of 30 kilometers and a flight endurance of up to 90 minutes. Its compact and robust body design ensures durability and resilience. Despite its advanced capabilities, the VT-Naut maintains a lightweight and uncomplicated design. It weighs 3,700 grams, has a wingspan of 2 meters, and lacks any unnecessary components that could compromise its performance or reliability. The VT-Naut UAV system offers a cost-effective alternative to full VTOL platforms, particularly for users who require extensive surveying capabilities and have some flexibility in landing site selection. The system eliminates the extra costs associated with acquiring and operating a VTOL multirotor drone. The VT-Naut represents a leap forward in drone technology, offering a future-proof solution that goes beyond conventional drones. With its water landing capability, the VT-Naut is set to redefine the landscape of large area surveying.